Hostel room tour. Alright, so this is the 6-bed female dorm. You have 2 beds right here and lockers. They have a really cool system in place for the lights. So it's on an automatic timer, so we're not wasting energy. Got the lovely air con in here. This is the bathroom area. We have the sink here, soap in case you need it. And in here we have the bathroom. Here's the light. Okay. They've got this on the door is talking about Excaet. Okay, and then these are 4 more lockers for these 4 beds here. This one is actually my bed that I'm staying in. So we got the light, got a USB and a regular, well, this type of outlet. And we've got these blackout blinds while you're in here. These are the best, and especially in this room, it blocks out all the light, so you can chill in here and sleep in peace. And they give you a sheet and they give you a towel. The bed is comfy, the pillow's comfy. When I first got here, there was just me and one other person, and then last night this whole place was full, but everybody left this morning, so now it's just me and one more person. And I'll show you what the locker looks like. And you want to remember to bring a lock, but if you don't, they do have a lock you can rent, so that's great. So this is a locker space. Great locker space. Lots of space here. And lastly, in the room, you have the shower. So here's the shower head, soap. Got a little shelf. Got these hooks. That is the shower area for you. leaving Nomads Hostel. Oh my God, such a vibe! Cancun Tulum was such a vibe. Don't forget to mention the free yoga classes that they have at the hostel. Also mention that just down the street, like a 5-minute walk, is the bus station. So that's great transportation.